What is going on, tiny nieces and nephews? It is I, your Kanorfka. And today's video, as you can tell by the title, you can tell by the thumbnail, we are going to be discussing this 4-letter word that you lack. Don't try to count the letters. Just trust me, bro. You're lacking it, which is why you're on this video in the first place. And look, I can make this video and throw stones at you from my glass houses because I'm trying to work on this too. So these videos and these talks that we are going to be having on a consistent basis are for me to remind myself, do as you say and then do it, not do as I say and then not as I do. Like I want to hold myself accountable too, which is why I'm telling y'all this and y'all see me do it. And then y'all see you see how this works. So I got my notes right here so I can stay somewhat on track. Point number 1, you're not a bad answer, whatever it is that you are. You're just inconsistent. You're not a bad coder. You're not a bad coworker. You're not a bad entrepreneur. You're not a bad librarian. You're not a bad influencer or business person. You're just very inconsistent. Like, why would we want to get to know you? We don't. Why would we? You have one video every 2, 3, 4 weeks. What? I forgot about you. I thought you woke up dead. Knock on wood. That's not wood. Just take my word for it. Why would I want to invest time in getting to know you? Like, for what? You got to get your face out there, which means you have to be more consistent, right? You got to post, you got to post, you got to post, you got to post. So people can know you. A lot of y'all be hoping to go viral with just one video, and it's like, okay, you go viral, but then what? We come for that one video, but there's no reason to remain and to invest in getting to know you as a creator. So for this video, I'm just going for the basis of consistency as a creator. But it works in every other field. Stay with me now. If you're not getting your face out there, there's no reason for us to get to know you. You got to be consistent to remind us that, hey, you're still out there. You're still alive. We have a reason to come check for you and stop trying to go viral. One video going viral, that ain't going to cut it because we just going to come for the viral video and then we're going to leave. You got to find a way to keep us there with more videos, more content. A lot of y'all watching this also want everything to be perfect for some reason. You think you finna make a video, oh, it has to be the right time, on the right day, the right circle. Just post it, okay? Just post it. It doesn't even have to be good. I'm gonna be real, most of these people get on social media and they not even talking about nothing. They get on the camera, turn it on, and just start yapping. And people are consuming. There's no difference between somebody with 500,000 subscribers and you with 5 subscribers or 5 followers. Y'all both yapping. They just doing it more, which is why they got an audience. Just post it. It's never going to be perfect. It's always going to be something that you're overanalyzing. You just have to do it. You have to do it. And I would say post more quantity over quality until you can afford those quality videos. It doesn't have to be cute. It don't have to be highly edited. Just put yourself out there. Okay, the more the merrier, right? We don't need this Mr. Beast styled video if you're just starting. No, just something simple and quick and consistent so we can know you, so you can afford to be like Mr. Beast one day. Does that make sense, Kanorfka? Okay, my next suggestion, you need a system. And I'm a very unorganized person and proud to be. I'm very unorganized and I'm unashamed, unapologetic about it. But in order to be consistent, I had to get a planner. 2024 planner, I had to write my stuff down. Write the vision, make it plain. It's somewhere in Ezekiel. I'm going to put the scripture right here. I think Habakkuk. No, it's in Habakkuk. It's in Habakkuk. I know my Bible. Stop playing. But you need a system. Get you a calendar. Get you a planner. Make a routine, right? And make sure that you're implementing room for rest, recuperation, inspiration. You need that time for just downtime for just you. Otherwise, you're going to suffer burnout. Burnout is a real thing, and it oftentimes causes a lot of hindrance to the progress of your consistency. So make sure you're scheduling time for just you and recuperating and relaxing. Make sure you're putting that in, but you need to be organized. You need a planner, a calendar, and you need to follow this system. I'm looking at my notes. Stop wondering where my eyes are up here. You need a system. Oh, I was visualizing my goals. that's the last thing I would suggest for you. That's what I've been doing. That's what I'm currently going to be doing for this entire month. Just visualizing my goals. What do I want to accomplish? What is it that I'm trying to gain? You need to do that too, because listen. If you visualize your goals, you have an incentive, right? You put your brain in this desire to get a reward, right? So if I do this and I remain consistent, I can be here. I can get this. That also comes with being organized. That also comes with writing down your plans, but you have to visualize what it is that you want. I will also encourage you not to look at your statistics. Those can be very discouraging, especially for your first couple videos. Don't look at the statistics. Don't look at your analytics. Just keep posting, keep being consistent, keep following that schedule. And I can't guarantee these things will grant you consistency. But for me, this is what I'm going to be implementing. And we'll see by the end of the month if I can stick with these things and continue throughout the rest of the year. Because it's time. It's time. I've been waiting too long. I've been slow rolling, y'all. Listen. It's time. You're not a bad content creator. You just lack consistency. We fix that small little problem, you'll be up there with the greats, your name in the rafters. But as for the rest of this video, you know how that goes. My name is Troy Wood, and the purpose of the channel is to help you become the very best version of yourself that you can be, because you can't spell self-improvement without me. Go ahead and try it. Now, if something here was said that resonates with you, make sure to leave me a like. Subscribe, comment down below what videos you want to see next, and climb aboard the SS Trainway, where our next destination is your self-improvement.
This is your captain speaking.
And I'll see y'all in the next one.